Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to enable BitLocker encryption on Windows 11 and Windows 10. To enable BitLocker encryption on Windows 11, you can do the following. Log in to Windows with an administrator account. Search for BitLocker. Click on Manage BitLocker. Select the drive which you want to encrypt. Choose the user password to unlock the drive checkbox. Then choose the option to save the recovery key. Click the Next button. Select the Encrypt Use Disk Space Only checkbox. Click on the Start Encrypting button. This will take some time to complete. If you want, you can click the Close button. Same steps you can try for Windows 10 also. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.